go. The first dolphins. So much plastic. Oh wow. Ah. Wow, zit er vol! Ja, Bob, je mag. Je mag. Jump. Oh, wow. Holy shit. Oh, wow. Echt wel heel gaaf hoor. Wauw. Wow. Nu zitten we echt close. Dit is echt... Snorkel.
Look.
Thankfully I've used this case because the GoPro is fully dry. It works perfect. We are back at the swimming pool and we left this morning with the tour guide. I will put the link in the description below. But we were picked up by 6 in the morning and we returned at 10:30. So it took us 4.5 hours instead of 3. And we could also snorkel at the end, so it was really amazing. The tour guide was really friendly and now I'm sitting here. And it was so freaking cool to see the dolphins from so close. I mean, it's just amazing. It was definitely a once in a lifetime experience, and if you are here, you should really do it as well. The costs were 250k per person, so that's like 7.5 euros per person. So we gave him a big tip because we were so happy with him. He was friendly and he also brought us to a place where not a lot of boats were, so it was really calm. This hotel is beautiful, but when Fleur got in, she got directly or instantly, maybe in 10 seconds, stung by some jellyfish. And I also got stung by jellyfish, but because I went really fast, I didn't feel them that much. It was okay. But I would recommend wearing a tight t-shirt when you go in the sea. Mr. Erik and I are going out for lunch. It is getting very windy. Strawberry milkshake with susu, milk, and something like a toasty with milk inside. Looks good. And cheese on top. Oh wow. I want to do a little taste test, but look who's got there. It's a small colibri. It's a tiny bird. Whoa. Okay, let's do the taste test. Right, just came back from the pool and I'm a bit hungry. So let's eat some snacks. It's time for a little taste test. First I start with high tempura. This is seaweed. I'm not a big fan of seaweed, but Fleur loves it a lot, so let's try this. Looks like this. It's actually really good. It's sweet. Tastes a little bit like oil and spicy. It's really good. I love it. It's nice. Okay. The next one. It's, by the way, it's open because Fleur tried it. I didn't try it. Let's flush it away with some green Fanta. This is my favorite one. And they don't have this in the Netherlands, so I'm glad I'm in Asia again. Really good. I can already hear the cat, so I hope the cat is not coming. Let's try the cheesy cheese flavor popcorn, and it's actually food all the way up, all the way till here. I was in Thailand, and in Thailand the popcorn was filled till about here, so a lot of air and almost no popcorn. Let's try it. It just looks like popcorn with some cheese coating on it. This is really good. It is exactly popcorn with cheese. It's really good. I would recommend it. Now let's try this one. This is pandan cake. I already ate a few, so I know how they taste. It's a sweet cake and it's really good. I love it. Let me eat this one and then we will try the mellow puff. I never heard of this, but it looks like it will taste good, so I'm curious. Let's find out. Oh, okay, it's packed, so that's easy. That's nice, so you can bring it with you. Oh, they are really small and cute. They look good though. The cat is coming, hurry up. I can hear two cats. It is really fluffy and soft, like you would expect from marshmallow. It is not too sweet actually. It's really good. It tastes like also like a bit of a cake flavor, but it's a little bit sweeter because it got the marshmallow flavor as well. But it's really soft. The texture is funny. It's a bit doughy. It's nice. It's a nice snack. Crispy. Let's try it. It's full. It's filled till here in the hall. I chose this one. It's mice, popped mice, crunchy. It's buttery, corn. It's corn flavored chips. It does taste exactly like this. It tastes like corn on the barbecue with some butter and some salt on top. It's really good. I will recommend this. Alright, let's go to the next part. It's mowing a lot. Oh, it's coming. Let's go inside before it eats all my snacks. Fleur doesn't like these, so there's more for me. It's dinner time at Kakatua Bar Restaurant. Vanilla milkshake. Bintang for Mr. Eric.
Deelbak wordt met
Pina colada for Fleur.
Ik heb hem
I love the mosquitoes here.
Crispy.
What do you have, Fleur?
I have nasi goreng with satay, kroepoek, and egg.
Looks
With
good.
a little salad.
And what do you have, Mom?
I'm going to eat kapkai. It's white rice with vegetables.
Thank you.
And what are you going to eat?
Pizza.
With?
Pulled chicken and some cheese.
Oh, and onions.
That cheese is really
It's a
good
soft
out.
one. Looks good. There's some pork ribs with mashed potato for Mr. Eric. Slamat makan.
Saus eroverheen.
Vanilla ice with chocolate sauce.
En ik heb
Ooh. You like it? Just got back from the store and we got some banana cake for €2.50. And now I'm gonna try this white peach sparkling tea. It's really good.
It's a cheechy peach. Can I try it?
Try it.
Oh! It tastes really good, but the sparkle is insane. It's really sparkly.
No.
It is. What do you mean, no?
It's a little bit sparkling. It's iced tea. Peach. It's good.